Hi everyone, want a cool isometric or pixel art fast? Here's how to make it with Leonardo.AI. Let's get started. First, open the Leonardo.AI application and log in to your account. Then here in the dashboard, click Image Generation. Then here, choose the right model or preset style. Scroll down and select isometric or pixel art or any available that's in your right model. And these are trained for clean and game ready design. And here, describe that you want. Type your prompt. You need to be detailed and specific, like this example here. Then here you can also change the resolution, aspect ratio, and guidance scale. And once done, hit generate. And that's it. You can now download and click your favorite image and use it to start building your game world. And that's how easy it is to make isometric and pixel art using Leonardo AI. Follow for more AI art hacks. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.